How to add the multiple clock widget to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then go to the home screen page that you would like to add the widget. Then touch and hold. Next, tap on the Edit button. From the pop-up, tap on Add Widget. Then in the Search Widgets list, scroll down and then find clock. So here, tap on clock. Next, we swipe to the left. So swipe to the left until you see it said wall clock. So select a small size or a medium size widget. Then tap on Add Widget. Then the wall clock widget will be added to your home screen. From here, tap on the widget. Then you can select the multiple city or multiple clock. So one for USA, so say San Jose, USA, we got Japan, so we will replace Japan with something else. So again, maybe we choose Vatican City, and then we replace that one with another city. So let's go down near the bottom. So let's choose White House, Canada, and then we got France, Paris. So let's choose a random from here. So what's that one? Merida, Mexico. Alright, so after that, tap outside the box to save the changes, then tap on done. And that is how you can add the multiple clock widget to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.